ऑल्सो इट प्लेज अ क्रूशल रोल इन योर इम्यून फंक्शन। इसीलिए एल-ग्लूटामिन लेने से उसके स्टोर्स फुल हो जाएंगे। Basically, they replenish glutamine stores. By transporting fatty acids into the mitochondria, it helps convert fat into energy. ये energy production बढ़ाने के साथ साथ fat loss में भी help करता है. Its ability to support recovery and immune function makes it important for many athletes and bodybuilders. आज हम बात करने वाले एल-ग्लूटामिन और एल-कार्निटाइन के बारे में। जिन्हें भी अपनी मसल ग्रोथ को एनहांस करना होता है, दे ऑलवेज डाउट कि विच वन टू चूज, एल-ग्लूटामिन और एल-कार्निटाइन। सो लेट्स नो अबाउट इट इन डिटेल। एल-ग्लूटामिन इज एन अमीनो एसिड जो बॉडी में ज्यादा अमाउंट में रहता है, पर्टिकुलरली इन मसल टिश्यू। इट्स नोन फॉर इट्स रोल इन मसल रिकवरी एंड इम्यून सपोर्ट। ऑन द अदर हैंड, एल-कार्निटाइन इज एन कंपाउंड दैट इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम अमीनो एसिड, जिसका रोल एनर्जी प्रोडक्शन में है बाय ट्रांसपोर्टिंग फैटी एसिड इनटू माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया फॉर बर्निंग। बेसिकली इट बर्न्स फैट फॉर energy production. So now let's talk about benefits of L-glutamine. ये आपके मसल रिकवरी को सपोर्ट करता है आफ्टर वर्कआउट्स बाय रिड्यूसिंग सोरनेस. Also it plays a crucial role in your immune function, helping to keep your body healthy and resilient. Additionally, L-glutamine can help in maintaining muscle mass during periods of intense training, preventing muscle breakdown. Now let's have a look on how L-glutamine works. एक्सरसाइज करते वक्त ग्लूटामिन लॉस होता है, इसीलिए L-glutamine लेने से उसके स्टोर्स फुल हो जाएंगे. Basically, they replenish glutamine stores. This support muscle protein synthesis, meaning muscle building, and prevents muscle breakdown, promoting faster recovery. Additionally, L-glutamine helps to maintain the integrity of the gut lining, which can be beneficial for overall health and nutrient absorption. Now let's focus on L-carnitine. It is known for its ability to enhance fat metabolism, which means it breaks down more fats for energy. By transporting fatty acids into the mitochondria, it helps convert fat into energy, जो आपका overall endurance and performance boost करता है. This process can be particularly beneficial during longer workouts and endurance training. ये heart health को भी support करता है by improving blood flow and antioxidant activity भी बढ़ाता है. Now let's have a look at how it works. As mentioned earlier, L-carnitine works by facilitating the transport of long-chain fatty acid into the mitochondria, where they are used to produce energy. ये energy production बढ़ाने के साथ-साथ fat loss में भी help करता है. By improving the efficiency of energy production, L-carnitine can help you work out longer and intensely, which indirectly supports muscle growth by allowing more effective training sessions. So which is better for muscle growth, L-glutamine or L-carnitine? इसका जवाब आपके बॉडी गोल्स और नीड्स पे डिपेंड करता है. If your primary focus is on muscle recovery or maintaining muscle mass, L-glutamine is an excellent choice. Its ability to support recovery and immune function makes it important for many athletes and bodybuilders. On the other hand, अगर आपको अपना workout performance improve करना है by boosting energy production and burning fat, L-carnitine might be the better option. Its role in fat metabolism and energy production can help you train harder and longer, contributing to overall muscle growth. Ultimately, both L-glutamine and L-carnitine offer unique benefits that can support muscle growth in different ways. ये completely आपके training goals पे depend करता है. In fact, you might even consider incorporating both into your supplement routine to maximize their combined effects. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.